Hey, it's Tom from Tom's Toons, and I just want to talk really quick about the vinyl flooring that we install from PontoonStuff.com. This boat we completely restored in 2021. It's now April of 25. This came in for new seat covers, but this is the gray woven vinyl floor from PontoonStuff.com, and it is holding up so well. There's very little color change, any fading. There's no rips, no tears, no snags. This is doing extremely well. So if you wondered when you're shopping online for vinyl flooring, what's my best option for longevity? You plan on owning your boat for a long time, you really have to consider this flooring. The woven vinyl, either in the standard weave or the teak style, is still a woven vinyl, but just holds up so well. The other thing, you're probably wondering, how do I clean it? I get that question a lot. How do I clean my vinyl floor? Here's what I recommend. At the end of the season, when you pull your boat out and it's on the trailer in your driveway, just a mild dish soap, get the floor wet with a hose, throw some dish soap on the floor, and then take a softer, medium bristled brush, something like you'd use to wash your car, and then you can just go through and build up a little bit of lather with that soap and the water, work it around the corners, along the furniture, the armrests, the console, work it in, and then just rinse it right off. That's it. Not a power washer. Doesn't need to be power washed. Just get in there, scrub it down quick, and rinse it off. We're done with these seat covers on this boat, so that means it's going home. I'm going to take it out. I'm going to give it a quick rinse down, wash the seats up. Those are still in great shape too. It got classic seating, Deckmate seating. This thing's going home. It's going to keep going for years and years and years of use. It's going out for its 5th summer on the water here in Michigan. Thanks for watching.